I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Temple Properties, top 1% agent in San Diego County. I want to invite you to a buyer workshop with an emphasis in military/VA. So if you want to learn about home buying, and if you're former military, current military, and you have a VA benefit, we're going to teach you guys all how home buying works, plus how your VA benefit works. So we're going to go into how to use your BAH to qualify to purchase a home loan, why interest rates and terms are so much better with VA compared to FHA or conventional or any other type of loan, the zero down benefit of using your VA, advantages of using VA loans in general, and then the biggest myths in regards to VA home loans. And you're gonna learn the current real estate market interest rates and so much more that has to do with it. So learn your benefits and how they work, and that way you can take advantage and then grow your real estate portfolio. We'll see you then, Saturday, March 28th, 11:30 a.m.